Assalamu alaikum. Hi. Welcome to the MyGuru tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be focusing on how to use the forum in MyGuru. A forum is a platform where the lecturer and students discuss the topics that the lecturer has decided. After successful login to MyGuru, choose a course. In this example, I choose this biology course. In the biology course dashboard, look on the left menu and click the forum menu. It will expand the menu. In the biology course dashboard, look on the left menu and click the forum menu. It will expand the menu. Click on the submenu, the forum list. Then it will show you the list of forum topics created. I will show you how to create a new forum topic. Click this button. You need to fulfill all fields. Insert title. Insert description. Enter the duration. Click the button Save. You can upload the attachment if you want to. Click Browse, select File, click Open. Click Go. To upload. The file will appear at the bottom. Last but not least, you have to set the target. If you select group, do not forget to identify which group to select. If you choose course, it will apply to all groups in the course. And save. And save again. If you need to edit the forum details, just click the button Pencil, and you may edit as you want, and do not forget to save. You also can delete the forum, but only to the forum which still does not have any reply to it. Next, I will show you the forum monitoring. This will help the lecturer to monitor student involvement in the forum. If you click this eye icon, you will see how many replies the student has made individually. Meanwhile, this blue button is for the overall view, which means the lecturer can monitor all students' involvement in one place. F1, F2, and so on refer to the forum title created by the lecturer. That's all for the MyGuru forum. Thank you.